Today I'm going to share a sliding picture game written in Microsoft Power Apps. Let's start with the installation. The archive which you have downloaded contains two files. The first one is the MS app itself, and you also have a zip archive which consists of the assets that are called from within the program. So if I just change the view to large icons, you will see that I have images, and if you look closely, you will see that they are in batches of 9, which when sorted out give an image. And there's also a README file, and in this README file you see a short note that tells you that these files need to be placed in a location that can be accessed as a URL. I am using OneDrive. I loaded them into OneDrive, although it can be any place, any location, provided these are accessible. If I choose one at random and I click on details, you will see that below I have path, and if I copy that path and paste it in a notepad app, I have a full URL with the image. I need to keep the comment part. Before we go into the code, I am going to run the game, and the sliding picture game is made up of an image made up of 9 blocks. One of the blocks, the ninth in our case, is replaced by a blank, and you have to organize this image. In the example I'm sharing here, the blocks themselves are numbered to make it easier. But if this were an image, you have in the corner numeric guides to help you along. You will click on the cells adjacent and move the blocks. As you are playing, you have a timer, and you also have the number of swaps you made. When the game finishes, the timer stops. I can no longer click anywhere, and I get a bag of confetti. In the gameplay itself, there is an animation below, and there's also, in this particular case, more information. You may have noticed that more information was changing color during the gameplay. If I click on more information, in this case, it opens a URL associated with that link. I hope you found this useful. I suggest, if you haven't already done so, is look at my other work on Power Apps. If you have any questions, ask, and I or someone will do our best to answer your question. If you found this interesting or useful, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps me, it helps the channel, and really encourages me to produce more content. Thank you, and take care.